Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer.
Alright, so we are en route on the $1 Million Highway to go to Island Lake and Ice Lake. It's a pretty good hike we're gonna do. And you think it'd take, how long do you think it'd take us?
I don't know.
4 hours?
Probably 4 or 5.
Probably. We're gonna probably hang around until about sunset. So that's when the best of the light's gonna be because it's blue skies all day long. But let me tell you, like, we're about to get into some very yellow, there's some yellow trees right there. We're about to get into some pretty yellow stuff coming up here. It's absolutely insane. Like, I've never seen colors like this in Colorado because I've never been there in this time. But yeah, it's pretty awesome to be here.
Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same.
All right, so I look absolutely ridiculous right now, even with my sunglass situation. My bags I have my coat back attached to my tripod. There's a lot going on. Hey, turn around and say what's up. What's up? Yeah, we got a long way to go. Probably got 3 hours, you think? Is that what she said? There's a face? There's a face in the mountain, apparently.
Like a face.
This has got to be probably the steepest, most tiring hike I have ever done. Feeling some rain. I'm feeling rain. For a while, people were saying we were halfway, and
Someone lied to us.
I think they were lying to us. And then one guy said we had about 1,000 feet, and I think he was also lying, but he was trying to encourage us to keep going because we were getting closer. He wanted us to think, oh, you got that far, push through. All right, so walk me through what you got going on here.
Oh, we're waiting for the light to hit the yellow, and it looks like it's actually going to it, so that's good.
Oh, it's about to hit.
Yeah, it is. This is just
Say it.
absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic.
Oh, it's kind of dying off. Oh, it's dying off. No.
Seriously? What happened? Oh, come on.
Oh, this is part of landscape photography, everyone. Oh man. Oh. Yeah.
Can we pick this rock up and then put it right here?
Yeah, let's do it real
And
quick.
then, can you push that a little bit to the left?
Yeah. Let's
Actually, push it to the right.
let's get on that.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Had to do that for the vlog.
Oh, you're okay.
So we got the light hitting our little spot down there, as you saw earlier.
It happened again, but we're not there, so.
Yeah. We are now on our way to Island Lake. Back there behind us you can see Ice Lake. And it's absolutely stunning. Thomas Eden. This is seriously awesome. Like, I've never seen a lake so blue in all my life. He's about to get a killer shot, that's for sure. Already has one or two. It's got a few more steps to Island Lake, and gonna get the drone in the air, get some shots, some 4K drone footage hopefully. We just completed Island Lake. Really kind of, sort of disappointing, but this dude here walking behind me, this dude, let me tell you, he got an awesome shot.
Got lucky with that.
He really did. Like, just looking out on the back of the screen. Can I put it on the video? Like, can I flash it on the screen right now? Yeah, it's pretty freaking cool. He's definitely gonna get featured, and he's gonna be famous, and when I'm never gonna see him again. Yeah, super cool photo he got. I got some cool drone shots as you saw. Hopefully that it's any good that I actually decided to use it. I think I got some good drone photos too, potentially from the sky. So heading down, and it's been definitely a really long day. Be ready to eat some cheese-filled hot dogs when we get back to the cabin. Current situation. Let's get this fixed up.
That looks ridiculous.
Ready? Get ready to close your eyes, and now close your eyes. Do it. Close your eyes. I'm telling you.
Me?
Yep.
Oh. I thought you were just saying that.
All right.
Life's much